Traveling. It's one of life's greatest pleasures. But let's be honest, it can also be expensive. Picture this. You're in Rome, sipping on an espresso as the sun sets over the Colosseum. Sounds idyllic, right? But then, the credit card bill arrives, and suddenly, you're not in Rome anymore. You're back home, staring at a screen, wondering how you spent so much. We've all been there. That's why I'm here to help you navigate the world of travel without breaking the bank. I've trotted the globe, learned the hard way, and come out the other side with a suitcase full of money-saving tips. Because travel should be about the experiences, not the expenses. So whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a first-time adventurer, there's something here for you. So stay tuned as I share my top 5 travel hacks to save money on your next trip. Travel hack number 1. Plan your travels during the off-peak season. You see, just like in any business, the travel industry also has its highs and lows. This is what we call the peak and off-peak seasons. Peak season is when most people travel due to holidays, school breaks, or favorable weather conditions. Off-peak, on the other hand, is when travel demand dips. Choosing to travel during the off-peak season can save you a considerable amount of money. Airlines, hotels, and tour operators often slash their prices during these times to attract more customers. For instance, I once booked a flight to Paris during the winter off-peak season and saved around half of what I would have spent during the summer. Not only was I able to enjoy the City of Lights with fewer crowds, but I also saved money that I could use for other experiences. So remember, timing is everything. Travel hack number 2, opt for budget accommodations. Now you might be thinking, budget accommodations mean dingy hostels or questionable motels, right? Not at all. The world of budget accommodations is much more diverse and inviting than you might imagine. From cozy hostels that offer private rooms to budget hotels that provide all the necessary amenities, to even vacation rentals that let you live like a local, you have a plethora of options to choose from. I've personally stayed in a charming vacation rental in the heart of Rome, which cost me less than half of what a typical hotel room would have. The bonus? I got to experience the city like a true Roman. The beauty of budget accommodations lies in the potential savings. By choosing to stay in budget-friendly places, you can save a substantial amount that you can then use to explore more, eat more, and simply enjoy more. So remember, staying at a budget accommodation doesn't mean compromising on comfort. It means saving for more adventures. Travel hack number 3, use public transportation. Now, this is a game changer. While taxis or rental cars might seem convenient, they can eat into your budget faster than you can say, road trip. Public transportation, on the other hand, is often a fraction of the cost. Think about it. A single bus or train ride can cost less than a cup of coffee in many cities around the world. And it's not just about the savings. Using public transportation gives you a chance to experience the city like a local. There's something about navigating the subway in Tokyo or jumping on a tram in Amsterdam that really immerses you in the city's rhythm. I remember my trip to New York. I was surprised at how quickly I could get around on the subway, and I saved a ton of money I would have otherwise spent on cabs. So next time, skip the taxi line and hop onto a local bus or train. Travel hack number 4, eat like a local. One of the most authentic ways to explore a new place is through its food scene. You'll not only save money, but you'll also immerse yourself in the local culture. Now, how about venturing into local markets? They're an excellent avenue to enjoy fresh and affordable meals. You'll be amazed at the variety of delicious dishes available at a fraction of restaurant prices. Remember that time in Bangkok when we discovered that heavenly bowl of noodle soup at a local street food stall? It cost less than $1, and it was a flavor explosion. Or that roadside taco stand in Mexico City where we had the best tacos of our lives for just a few pesos. These experiences aren't just about saving money, but also about tasting the real essence of a place. So ditch the tourist traps and savor the local flavors. And finally, travel hack number 5, look for free activities. You'd be surprised how many amazing experiences don't cost a dime. This hack is all about doing your homework. Before you arrive at your destination, do a quick online search for free activities or events happening in the area. You might find free walking tours, museums, art galleries, or even concerts. I once stumbled upon a free salsa class in the heart of Buenos Aires, and it turned out to be one of the highlights of my trip. Not only did it save me a few bucks, but it also gave me a chance to mingle with the locals and immerse myself in the culture. It just goes to show, you don't need to spend a fortune to have an unforgettable travel experience. Always keep an eye out for these hidden gems. Remember, the best things in life are often free. And there you have it, my top 5 travel hacks to save money on your next trip. We've journeyed through off-peak travel, where the roads less traveled can lead to surprising savings. We've explored the world of budget accommodations, proving that comfort doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. We've hopped on board with public transportation, a surefire way to save some cash while getting a taste of local life. We've savored the flavors of eating like a local, an adventure for both your taste buds and your wallet. We've discovered the joy of free activities, demonstrating that the best things in life, indeed, can be free. These 5 hacks are your keys to unlock a world of budget-friendly adventures. So, on your next trip, pack these tips along with your luggage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own travel tips in the comments. Safe travels, and remember, adventure awaits, even on a budget.